Hey guys, welcome to Red 50. Today we're going to be learning how to change your windshield wipers on a G37. I've got this daily Infiniti G37 XS model, and we're going to be changing the windshield wipers because the ones that are on are currently really bad. I've already replaced the driver's side, and you can kind of see pretty rusted up. You can pretty much see the exposed blades here too. Not good. So I've already done the driver's side. We're going to be doing the passenger side windshield wiper. So the sizes actually differ from the driver's side and the passenger side. This one was a 26-inch on the driver's side, and the passenger side was 17-inch, I believe. So I'll leave a link in the description for what wipers I specifically got. These Michelin ones I got. I will also leave a link in the description for a website that lets you basically look up the sizes for your windshield wiper, because even for the G37 you expect it to be consistent, but 2009 and 10 have slightly different sizes than the ones after that. So if you've got a 2011, 2012 G37, make sure you check that link out before you buy the wipers. If you do have some spare microfiber towels, you can use those just to basically protect your windshield. This one just got a recent windshield, so I definitely don't want to scratch it up. All right, so I'm going to leave the microfiber towel here. We're going to go ahead and flip this one. There should be a tab here. Here's the tab. Essentially, you're going to pull on the tab and then pull on the wiper. It's going to be hard to do with one hand, so I'm going to set the camera over there. Let's press on this. Just gonna pull down just like this. Alright, so we got the wiper out. Let me get you close up. You can see this one is pretty rusted up, very dirty, almost exposed blades. So we're gonna replace it now with the new ones. Alright, so here's the new Michelin windshield wiper. We're going to take off this safety coating first. Just like that. Go. And we should be able to just slide it same way we kind of took the other one out. We're just going to put this one back up. Alright, so this tab needs to open up, and that's where the hook is going to go that I was just showing you to remove it. And we're just going to basically pull on it, and that should be it. Lift this up. Okay, so we'll put this here and it should click. Pull. That should be it. Alright guys, so we finally changed the windshield wiper on this G37. Very easy to do. Just make sure you get the right size windshield wipers. The link is going to be in the description. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. It was easy to follow the tutorial, hopefully, for you guys. If you did enjoy it and it was helpful, make sure you smash that like button. And of course, subscribe to Red 50 for more videos.